Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be about a very interesting subscription box, something which I have not done on this channel before. Today I'm going to be talking about this box right here, which is called as Box Fetish, and it is a totally completely makeup box. No lifestyle, no going here, no going there, only makeup. So if you love makeup, you would really want to try this one out. This box is actually priced at rupees 5.99. Everything, every detail, the link, everything will be given in the description box. So do not forget to check the description box out. I'm going to show you everything what is in there inside the box. So the box actually came really nicely packed, and I was so excited as I am a makeup lover, and I was like, I opened up everything and I just saw everything so that I can give you a better idea about it, because this is the first time I received this box. So inside, the box is really cute actually. It's all black, it's a cardboard box, and then it's all this silver gold print right here which says Box Fetish, and in here we have all the products. So everything came really nicely cushioned in a bubble wrap, which obviously I opened everything. So we have this info card right here, not a card but a paper, wherein all the details about the products are actually given, and I will be putting all the details on the screen for you guys. So this is actually a newly launched box. I'm not really sure, but this is the February edition, and this is called as the Box of Love. This box is specially designed for the Valentines and a special gift for our customers because we believe in spreading love and happiness, and so do I. So let's start. The first thing that I see here is they have almost everything. They have this Mars BB foundation, and this is what the packaging looks like. Never ever have used products from Mars. It says it is a 2-in-1 concealer and a foundation, and this is a total of I think 60 ml plus 4 grams. So 60 ml is the foundation and 4 grams is the concealer. Let me quickly see what this one actually looks like. It comes in a tube form like this. So it's a nice packaging. It's a good size. It looks to be like a full size product. So when you just untwist the cap, you see it's all messy because I tried it. You have the foundation right here. So it's a squeezy thing. You just take it out and apply it. So when you just put the lid back, it's all good. There is this cap thing right here. When you just open it, you have the concealer bit, which is so super awesome and so super convenient. So after applying the foundation, you can just open the lid and you can just use the concealer. I have never ever seen a packaging like this where you have the foundation and then you have the concealer on top, which is really good. I love it. And obviously you choose your shade, because when you go on their website, you actually mention what skin tone you have, what is the color of your skin, everything you put there. What is the color of your eyes? Is your skin oily? Is it dry? Or is it combination? So you fill everything on their website. So that's how they send you the products. Moving on to the next product. So to work the foundation in, you have a blender. So this is actually, I don't know what this one is actually called. This is the Jelly Powder Puff Clean and Visible. This is actually a silicone one. So it says it's going to give a very flawless kind of a finish. The price of this product is actually 200 rupees. Let me quickly take this out. I use brush for my makeup, and I kind of just want to dab with a little bit of beauty sponge. I'm not really sure how the silicone things work, but I've seen a couple of YouTubers playing with this, and this is what it looks like. It looks to be pretty good, but I can't say unless I've tried it, but it definitely looks good. I think the best part of this is that it's not going to soak up a lot of product, which is good, because then you end up wasting a lot of product when you use a brush or when you use a beauty sponge. In this, you don't waste a lot of product, but I don't know how the application of it is going to be like. So I'm going to keep you updated with this one, and I'll let you know what I feel about it. So if it's good, I think it's going to be amazing. Moving on, so we have a lip liner come eyeliner. So this is by M.N Generation 2 Perfect Cosmetics pencil. This is what it looks like. I know that this is quite, affordable. They say that the price of this one is actually 59 rupees, and it comes in a lot of shades. I think I have got a golden shade. Not really sure what this particular shade is like, but I really like this cap art. Can you see? It's really beautiful. It looks like one of those pieces from the chess that I play. Yeah, it looks like that. So in here you have this shade, and I'll just give you a swatch of this product. So it's pretty pigmented, as you can see. It's a beautiful metallic gold color, and I really like it. I think I'm not going to use it as a lip liner, but more as an eyeshadow. It's amazing because pigmentation is great. I don't know what is the longevity and all of that is like, but I think I'm going to really like it. Moving on, guys. So we have an eyeshadow palette as well in this subscription box, which is super amazing. This is by Pro Color Studio eyeshadow palette by SFR Color. Yeah, it is actually quite sleek of a packaging, and you have 18 colors, I believe. So there are 18 eyeshadows, and it looks to be quite vibrant. I don't have anything like that in my collection, and mostly all the shades are matte except this orange one. The orange one feels a little bit glittery, but otherwise all the shades are absolutely matte. And they are quite bold colors. I mean, yeah. So this line right here, I mean, there are a lot of good nudes as well. There's this black color. These two are my favorite shades. I love playing with this particular shade as well. I love these three band of colors, this purple, this orange, and this red. And I like this green as well. I'm not sure about the yellow part, but yeah, black is always a welcome. Not sure about white as well. Let me quickly test out the pigmentation of this one. This is the red one. So yeah, some of the colors are pigmented and some of the colors are not. This is the purple one. And then let me try the blue one. Oh, this looks superbly pigmented. The blue one. And let me try yellow. Yellow is my favorite color. Yeah, so it's decently pigmented, I would say. Let me try one more color. I love swatching things out. Yeah, so yeah, this is quite pigmented. So the eyeshadow has a very powdery texture. It is easy to blend. That's what I feel like. It is not creamy at all. Let me see how the shimmer is like of this orange one. Even this orange, this is the orange one that I swatched. It is quite pigmented. It has some glitters in it, but very tiny amount of glitter, which is not going to bother you. I'm sure it's not going to even show up when you apply it. So I'm excited about these warm tones right here. I'm excited about these two, transition colors. I'm excited about this black color, and I'm excited about this pink color. So overall, I think for a subscription box which is like as affordable as this one, a palette is really good. I'm very excited about this one. Next, we have a small little gift from them, which comes in a beautiful pouch like this, and it's a pom-pom bracelet. And this is what it looks like. So it has some pearls right here. The pearls actually give a nice touch to the entire bracelet, and I'm not so much into bracelets, but I can definitely use it as a choker. I will just extend a string from here and I will use it as a choker for sure, because it's going to look really cute with the pearl. I really like that they have added pearl to this pom-poms, which is amazing. Moving on to one of the products which I absolutely like, and this is a lipstick, guys. So let me quickly read this out to you. This is by Baxi Matte Glow Color Stay Lipstick. The packaging of this feels really high-end. It is not at all plasticky, the cheap plastic one. The packaging feels quite good, let me tell you. And it has this heart right here, if you can see. And it's a beautiful, beautiful packaging. First of all, I'm really excited about the packaging. It is great. And when you open it, this is what the shade is like. It's a beautiful nude color. It is totally up my alley. I love this color. It is my favorite color. I love wearing nudes. Quickly want to swatch it for you guys. So this is what the lipstick actually looks like. This is the lipstick. Don't confuse it with the eyeshadows. It's a beautiful matte lipstick. Actually, it has slight bit of creaminess to it. That's what I feel. It is not absolutely matte, but I'm in love with this color. I'm in the shade 010. So those were all the things in the box, guys. That was everything. Overall, if I have to tell you about my experience, I really like the box. It has, I think, almost everything for a full face of makeup. So I'm excited about this one out. If you want to check this box out, I'm going to give a link of it in the description box so that you can just go ahead and check that out. I will also provide all the details about the products in the description box just in case if you find that useful. So yeah guys, that was everything in this video of mine. I really hope you've liked this video. I really hope that you have found this video useful, and if you did, then please do not forget to give this video a quick thumbs up. Also make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. There's this red button, you can click that, and also make sure that you hit that bell button, because then that will give you the notification of my videos and you can watch it just when I upload it. So yeah, I'm going to wrap up this video right here, and I will see you in my next one very soon. Till then guys, you take care of yourself, keep happy, keep healthy, keep smiling always, and I love you very much. Bye bye.